Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a quick tutorial review and swatch of the NUDESTIX Nude Glossy Lips Kit. And it contains 3 mini gel color lip and cheek balms in the shades Babe, Jmama, and Crave. Now, this is a holiday kind of bundle. It's limited edition, and it is 3 gel lip balms in 3 different neutral nude shades for your next level lip colors or looks. And it's a glossy and hydrating gel lip and cheek pencil, which are perfect pigmented lippy to take you from day to night and natural to glam. Now this comes with a cap sharpener and a mini tin with a mirror, which is super convenient. It won't break or anything like that. But let's go ahead and swatch these shades. Here are the shades swatched. Babe is a warm coral nude, Jmama is a warm rose nude, and Crave is a deep tone nude. So this is the first shade, Babe, and in my opinion, it's perfectly described. It's a warm coral nude, and it's my favorite, and I am going to do the whole tutorial on the Babe shade on my lips and cheek in this video. And for Jmama and Crave, I'm just doing the swatches on the lips. But this one's my favorite out of the 3. It's definitely the reason why I purchased it. It does retail for $24 for these 3 mini shades, and you do get 0.088 ounces of product in each pencil. So this is the color Babe again. I am going to show it to you how I apply it on my cheeks. As you can see, it looks like a balm. If you do blend it kind of harshly, it will immediately just kind of separate and not show that much pigment. But if you tap it on gently, like in this video and how I'm showing you, it gives you a perfectly natural glow, and I'll show you how it looks from far away as well. And there you go, that is a Babe all over my face, my lips and cheeks, and it's definitely a perfect everyday natural hydrating fresh look, and I definitely love it. It's my favorite one out of the 3. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you Jmama, which is the warm rose nude, and in my opinion it definitely has a pinky lavender look, almost like a bare lip look. It's definitely super natural. It's your lips but better. It's definitely a balm look, and it's natural, and it's again another natural everyday look. I also do want to mention that these pencils are environmentally friendly, they're vegan, or they have vegan ingredients, and they are cruelty free and not tested on animals. So that's really nice and amazing, and another reason to love these products. But that is Babe, or actually that is Jmama all over my face from far away. So last, we're going to go ahead and swatch Crave, which is described as the deep tone nude. It's definitely a plummy berry tone in my opinion. It reminds me of the rum raisin that I did swatch from Revlon if you want some kind of dupe for it. But this is Crave, and if you're looking for a deeper kind of nudie shade, this is it. It definitely is beautiful and gives that pigment out of the 3, and when I show it to you from far away, you'll see that it's perfectly that holiday look that you want if you're looking for some color. So it's great that they have a deeper kind of color in the trio, but this is Crave, and I very much enjoyed it. It's very hydrating, it's very beautiful, and I would definitely wear it for more kind of holiday full coverage looks. But that was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.